Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentaries. Today it is Friday, June the 16th. Thanks for joining us here this morning as we look at what's happening overnight, what we can expect during today's trade. Well, grains are higher overnight. We saw firm prices in the wheat as winter wheat and spring wheat both rallying in here. Production concerns about both of these commodities and both of these exchanges, Minneapolis, Kansas City, Chicago, all finding support here as we are in a situation where we may not have enough milling wheat, and that's going to be in demand. Stocks are at a very low level for spring milling wheat, and demand is improving as we need that milling wheat to blend with the lower protein winter wheats. And so we've created a situation where prices are starting to rally, and I think we still have some upside potential in both these markets. We don't really know how much the rains have benefited the spring wheat crop this week, and the forecasts are very dry. I don't think we're going to get much in the way of rainfall over the next 10 days or so for that spring wheat crop, and I think it's actually some of this rain has been too late for a lot of the crop. There is some crop stress in the western corn belt. I've done a lot of traveling the last couple of days, took a day off yesterday, and a lot of corn that I've seen that has not had a lot of rain is starting to curl up, roll, protect itself, and so there is real concerns about this crop, especially in that western corn belt. In the eastern belt, we've seen more rains, better chances of production increases there, but very far from a perfect growing season this year for a lot of these producers. We are seeing a little bit of gains overnight in soybeans and corn. I think we could see a little bit of a bounce here off of some support. Same thing in the livestock, especially the cattle market. We bounced into support and rallied yesterday. I think could continue that rally, go back and challenge some of those resistance levels, especially fill that gap in the August live cattle contract. That's at about 20.55. Cash trade was sharply lower this week. No Fed online auction this week as they had some technical problems. They'll be back next week with their next sale. We do look for a better grain market here going into the weekend on uncertainty and a lot of dryness in the forecast according to the latest weather models. Of course, they are subject to change. If you want to stay up on top of it, latest information, make sure you follow us on Twitter at Midwest Markets and our text message service. That's a free service where we send out market info as well. We hope you have a great day of trade. Contact us if you have any questions. It's been Brian Hoops from Midwest Market Solutions. Talk to you soon.